Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the HCF, that is highest common factor. The highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the greatest or highest of their common factors. These common factors which we have already discussed in our previous video, and here we have to find the highest of the common factors. So here is the method to find the HCF. To find HCF of given numbers, we have to find the prime factorization first of each number, then we have to find the common factors from that one, then we can find the HCF. This prime factorization means we have to write a number as the product of prime numbers, or you can say that prime factors. Here is an example. Find the HCF of 60 and 72. Here we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. So here is the solution. First what to do? We have to find the prime factorization of these two numbers, that is 60 and 72. So how to find that one? Look at this one. So here is 60. So we have to prime factorize the 60. So we have to convert 60 as the product of prime numbers. So first I am taking 2 as this is divisible by 2. 2 30 is 60. Next again this number is divisible by 2. 2 30 is 2 15 is 30. Now 2 is not divisible, so take 3. 3 5 is 15 as 3 is a prime number. Next 5 is also a prime number. 5 1 is 5. So these are the prime numbers which is exactly divisible by 60. So we can write this one as, next step is we have to encircle the common factors, and 60 can be written as product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. In the same way we can write 72 as product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 3. You can prime factorize 72 in the same way as 60. So next step is we have to encircle the common factors. Here factor 2 is present in both the number, so I have encircled that one. Next again 2 is present in both the number, so encircle that one. Again 3 is present in both the number. So the common factors are 2, 2 and 3. Next, these are the maximum common factors. There is no other factor which are common in both the number. So the HCF can be written as, the HCF of 60 and 72 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is 12. 12 is the factor which is the highest in both the number, highest common in both the number. There are some other factor also, but that are not highest common factor. Okay, if you select 12 from these two number, which is the highest common factor. Now come to real life problem related to HCF. Here is an example where we will use the HCF in real life situation. There are two containers having 240 liters and 1024 liters of petrol respectively. So calculate the maximum capacity of a container which measure the petrol of both the container when we use exact number of times. This word exact number means we will use that one in factors, exact divisor. And to find HCF there are some keywords like maximum, highest, largest, greatest. These are the keywords in word problem. If this word present in the word problem, you have to find the HCF in that question. So here is the maximum, so you have to find the HCF here. So here is the solution. As you have to find the capacity of the container which is exact divisor. Exact divisor means factor of the capacity of the container, that is maximum capacity. Maximum, highest or largest. In that case we have to find the HCF. So we need to calculate the HCF. So now move to next one, that is here we have to calculate the, we have to find prime factor is the 240 and 1024. So in this way I have prime factorized that one. So first take such a prime number which is divisible by this one, that is 2 multiplied by 120 is equal to 240. Again I have taken 2, 260 is 120, 2 30 is 120, 2 15 जा 30, sorry 2 30 जा this 60, then 2 15 जा 30, then 3 5 जा it is 15, then it is 5 1 जा 5. In this way you have to prime factorize a number. In this way I have prime factorized this number 240, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 5. So in this way you have to prime factorize 240. Here I have prime factorized 1024 in this way. Look at this one. You have to divide this number with 2 and 2 to get the prime factorization. So here is the prime factorization of this number. First I have divided with 2, that is I have got 512. Again divided with 2 to get 256. Again divided with 2, I got 128. Then divided with 2 to get 64. Now divided 2 to get 32. Divided 2 get 16. Divided with 2 get 8. Divided 2 get 4. Divided 2 get 1. So here is the prime factorization of 124. Next step is what to do? We have to find the common factors. So the common factors of 240 and 1024 is, here there are 4 2 and here only the factors are 2. There is not 3 and 5. So the maximum number of 2 are 4. Here we have to take 4 2's. So the highest common factor are 4 times of 2. So the HCF is 4. If we multiply to 4 times, we are getting 16. Okay. So we can say that the maximum capacity of the required container is 16 liter. In this way you have to solve the water problem. First you have to write whatever you have to find, that is HCF or LCM. Then you have to prime factorize the each number, then common factor, then you got the HCF. That's all. Thank you.